Having Medicare coverage is most definitely a good thing. It's vital for so many people to stay healthy and lead a fuller life. But the act of choosing a Medicare plan can be daunting. With so many plans and options, how can you sort through them all to find the one you can be confident meets your needs? Well, today, more and more people are turning to Jopl. Jopl is the new, no-cost resource that now makes it easy to find the Medicare plan that's right for you. How easy? Enter your zip code, your gender, your birthday, then click See Your Plans. Jopl searches its massive database of Medicare plans in seconds. And just like that, plans in your area are presented in clear, easy-to-compare detail. You can further sort and select plans based on premiums, copays, carriers, even the best coverage for medications you currently take. Click to compare plans that interest you. When you find the one that best fits your needs, you can begin to apply right from the Jopl site. Or if you prefer to speak with a licensed agent, just click to call, chat, or phone us toll-free. We'll answer any questions or help you enroll in a plan anytime. And remember, Jopl also strives to be a resource you can turn to for timely information about Medicare-related topics that might be important to you. So start comparing Medicare plans with Jopl today and decide with confidence. Jopl is part of Word & Brown, a leader in the healthcare insurance industry for 30 years.